Okay, so now let's see how we can test the typography on Figma. Imagine that this is a screen from your page, and that's typography. Now it's 14 medium, and I choose to change it to 14 regular. So I duplicated the frame, select the typography and change to body 2. This is 14 regular. From here I copy as a PNG this frame, paste it here, copy this frame as a PNG and paste it here, add to this image the filter difference, and after that select them both and put above the other, one above the other. As you can see here, this is the difference that the change of the typography did. Very not big change, maybe 1 pixel, but this is the way you can test on Figma the changes you want to add on the typography for your product.